The CoinSource channel is pleased to have you back. Who are you with? Your vote enter in the option community. Option A XRP. Option B REPL. Option C SEC. Someone sent 26.9 Bitcoin to Satoshi's Genesis wallet, destroying $1.2 million. The story started making the rounds on Twitter, and at first I thought it was all fiction. But it ended up in Satoshi's Genesis wallet, where he mined the first 50 Bitcoin that would stay there forever. The fact that 26.9 Bitcoin was sent to this wallet makes me wonder if it was an accident or not. Is this real? What in the world is going on? For the sake of simplicity, this is it, it's around $2. In addition, you can find a plethora of sales events here. A few dollars or a couple cents are the most common amounts sent by people. Excuse me? This one was massive. Please find the sender and their motivations for sending $1 million to an entity that is basically a black hole. The situation is somewhat strange. Eleanor Turat, who passed quite recently. The digital large-cap fund of Grayscale has, shockingly, reintroduced XRP following a quarterly rebalance. We were hoping that XRP, a world-renowned cryptocurrency with a large market valuation, would be added to the list after the legal situation was clarified. This is the direction that exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are heading in, which are products that give investors access to various large-cap cryptocurrencies, Layer 1 smart contracts, and DeFi operations. Without a doubt, be sure you're present. Keep in mind that this is not an ETF. One of the funds they possess is this. Nonetheless, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, like this will proliferate, and the cryptocurrency market as a whole will gain exposure and funding over time. You can have faith that an XRP-only ETF will be accessible to you when the time is right. John Deaton here, representing myself, Crypto Law, and the Deaton Law Firm. My favorite crypto journalist from 2023, Ellie Turrat of Fox Business, is still going strong in 2024. I was a real pain, Eleanor. Among other things, she covered XRP and buyback when she first made an appearance. I was completely incorrect, though. Superb lady. Her presence is creating quite a stir in the world, in reference to the XRP issues and cryptocurrency reporting. Her work is among the most reliable resources out there. Additionally, I think she was fairly compensated for this. John, you did a great thing by naming her Crypto Journalist of the Year for her exceptional job. Furthermore, I anticipate that she will continue to consolidate her position as a leading expert in her industry all through 2024. As I indicated before, the Federal Reserve's policy change is starting to lead to falling interest rates. This is due to the fact that there are many problems in the globe. What I'm witnessing is unbelievable. In an effort to raise more than $30 billion, cash management firm CalSTRS is seeking a loan. They are hesitant to sell what they assert to be their assets for extremely low prices due to their financial constraints. Their investment portfolios make me wonder what they're holding. With fresh all-time highs in sight, your most fundamental indicator, the S&P 500, is making a killing. Right now, you may find bonds that pay out a lot of money, but you might be wondering, how are they handling this kind of problem in this environment? In any case, who is going to give CalSTRS money? The California State Teachers Retirement System is putting $30 billion on the line in this situation, fully aware that things could get considerably worse. Another thing we know is that a bear market is inevitable, otherwise, they wouldn't be able to pay you back. What on earth? What the hey? Plus, I am completely confused as to whether these are just bonds with a lengthy term. Plus, with the rates falling, it isn't worth anything anymore. In terms of CalSTRS, I am completely bewildered. Nonetheless, this exemplifies how we see things as great and going swimmingly, even if many people, including pension and endowment funds, large hedge funds, banks, and commercial real estate, are now on the verge of collapse. Additionally, if someone craters, it will cause a big problem. BlackRock has more than $2 billion available to receive incremental flows from existing Bitcoin holders who want to grow their holdings, according to Bitcoin Magazine. In the very first week of the program, this was reported. This doesn't prove that a flood of money would enter the market, which would drive up the price of Bitcoin. Nonetheless, it seems like there's a lot of interest. Despite our inklings, thanks to the enormous push from BlackRock, faithfulness, and terrible actors, they aren't acting on this because they have any notion of the need. My prediction is that it will see explosive growth in the next 12 to 24 months, especially as they start to engage with the larger Bitcoin market. No one can afford to ignore the impending historical event, regardless of whether they own Bitcoin or not, because Bitcoin will symbolically usher in the modern era of money worldwide. How the price changes at the beginning is irrelevant. Once this matter has been finalized, next week's events are something I'll be watching with great interest. Who knows what's going to happen after this? Do not rush to judgment at this time. This Euro looks to be concluded notwithstanding our negotiations with the SEC. As a last note, Coinbase is planning a massive acquisition in the EU that would allow them to launch crypto derivatives globally. Since derivative markets are the sites of most cryptocurrency trades, approximately 75% of all crypto trading activity happens on these platforms. A strong presence there is essential for Coinbase's European expansion plans. Already famous in America. In my opinion, this and other significant advancements will lead to DIG's massive global expansion. People involved in the cryptocurrency sector. Below this paragraph, you can find my most recent affiliate connections. I strongly suggest the Ridge wallet if you are looking to buy a wallet. Try out Love Wallet with Middlemas to find out whether it's something you're into. Please share your thoughts and opinions by posting a comment below. Aside from that, it's always appreciated when you like and subscribe. Goodbye for now.